Hey, welcome back everybody. Good morning. Got out on the water. We got this Moonwalker rigged up, but it's got rattles. It's kind of quiet this morning, so we'll have to swap him out kind of quick. Outgoing tide. We're gonna try to, like always, put some eyeballs under this line. So get one up in there. Something tiny tried to grab it. Something popped over there. Birds up in the trees here. Things are starting to wake up. Hopefully, put some fish in the boat. Maybe even take some dinner home. Well, that's a good cast. I like that. We got something miniature on here. What do we got? Little snook. Oops, just got off. Fish on! Alright. I wish we could anchor up. It's super windy. We're not anchored up. This could be a little tricky. Oh, jeez. This wind is killing me. We're going to be in the trees with this thing. I think it's a decent redfish, though. Oh, yeah. Decent redfish on the hard bait. If we can get this guy to cooperate. Maybe not. He ain't ready yet. Come here, big guy. Alright, shut this off. See if we can get him in the boat. Ah. Come on. Come on, a little bit more. Oh. Oh boy. We have all kinds of trouble here. There we go. Nice redfish. Alright, let's see if we can get up over here somewhere. Anchor up. Yeah, that's a nice red. Sure is. Alright. Let's get situated. Wow. This wind is killing me. I'm going to see if we can't anchor up for a second. Oh, not that way. Oh boy. We're having all kinds of trouble. Alright. Alright. I don't know how long the anchor is going to hold. Let's get this guy up out of here. I'm trying, big guy. Get this hook out of ya. Alright, guys. Look at that. Beautiful red. Beautiful. Let's see if we can get a measure on them here. It is super windy. 21. Alright. Beautiful. Look at that fish, guys. Alright. Got one on the board.